are in Bluff Dwellers Cave, just south of Knoll, Missouri. I was actually a caver before I became a geologist. I loved caving as a young adult, and I had already earned a business management degree, but I thought, you know what, I love caves enough, I want this to be my career. So I didn't think that I'd end up in a show cave, but honestly it's an amazing place to be because I get to share my passions with the whole world, and that's really nice. So this cave has been in the family for over 100 years, although they didn't know they had it for all that time. It was discovered in 1925 on the family's land, and then they opened it for tours in 1927, and we've been open ever since, still owned by the same family. Arthur Browning had noticed a small hole on top of a hill where he could see steam in the winter and cool breezes in the summer. And in 1925, they were building a highway which was going to cut right through all of Arthur's farmland. And the gentlemen who were surveying for that highway asked him about caves, and he mentioned that hole, and they opened it up enough that they could squeeze in on their bellies, and well, the rest, as we say, is history. We opened for tours in 1927. So generally we have people come visit, so we're interacting with guests. They go through our museum, which is full of geology from all over the world actually, so it's a really neat educational museum. And then they take an hour-long tour of our cave. So I have tour guides that are well versed in the cave's history, geology, biology, and they take people through the cave and show them a world that most people don't get to see every day. And there's just a little bit of everything for everyone here.